Kia ora, nau mai, hoki mai. So basically we're coming up to the fourth element, well the fifth element, but the fourth of the pathway of learning, which is tohu tohu, or a symbol of instruction, okay, instruction. And basically we start with this. So an instruction, there you can see the exclamation mark, do this, do that, don't do this. And we have a cycle that we use, or a series, a sequence that we use to facilitate instruction with some basic instructions. And if you see in between the symbol, you'll have the word to, which is stand, noho, sit, moi, sleep, kai, eat, and mahi, work. So the way we actually teach this symbol is by using this particular sequence here. And if you have the handout, you'll be able to, you'll be able to work with us and see what I'm talking about a bit clearer. E tu means to stand. So we're taking word number one, okay? E tu, stand. Kaua e tu, don't stand. Me tu, should stand. Tu mai, stand here, come towards me and stand by me. Tu atu, stand away from wherever it is I'm directing you to stand. So have a listen to this. E tu, stand. Kaua e tu, don't stand. Me tu, should stand. Tu mai, come towards me and stand here. Tu atu, stand there. Without the translation, pick the word stand, to, and we'll go through that sequence. So the word is to, the kupu is to. And this is the sequence. E tu, kaua e tu, me tu, tu mai, tu atu. That's the sequence, and then you just change the actual word that you want to use. Like, for instance, sit, noho. So let's use that sequence. E noho, sit. Kaua e noho, don't sit. Me noho, should sit. Noho mai, sit here by me. Noho atu, sit over there away from me. We'll try moi, sleep. Kōrero mai, moi. Oe, moi, not moi. It's different. Moi, moi, moi. Moi, which means sleep. So let's try it within that sequence. E moi, sleep. Kaua e moi, don't sleep. Me moi, should sleep. Moi mai, sleep here, moi atu. And that's basically how this particular symbol with a list of other words is used. Now what I want to say, also share, is if you have a one or two syllable word, e, kaua, e moi, you will use it. As soon as you have three syllables, a word like let me see, titiro, which means look. Titiro, look. Titiro, three syllables now, three sounds, three syllables. You don't have to use e in front of three syllable words. You would just say, titiro, look. Kaua e titiro, don't look. Me titiro, should look. Titiro mai, look towards me. Titiro mai, look towards me. Titiro atu, look over there, look away from me. And just remembering words with three or more syllables, you don't use the e in front of. The rest of we'll talk in class, but basically this is just a way to navigate through the tohu tohu. This is a symbol of instruction and command. Ngā mihi.